10 free online courses from Harvard University that can make you $6,000 per month with a side hustle. If you don't know that already, you can have Harvard on your resume for free, and you can access these courses from all over the world. Check out the previous ones because they are really interesting, and give me a follow so I know you appreciate the research I've done for you. Today I have last two ones for you. First is Introduction to Nutrition. This is a skill that's easy to monetize. With this course you can become a freelance nutrition consultant and give people advice how to eat healthy. You can give dietary requirements and overall nutrition and charge $50 to $200 per hour. You can also start a blog, post on a platform like Medium and other blogging platforms, and encourage healthy eating habits, share recipes, earn through advertising like Google AdSense, sponsorships, affiliate marketing. You can also become a coach and offer nutrition coaching. You can even start a meal plan service company and leverage this knowledge. That means prepare and deliver meals each day. Like I said, plenty ways to monetize this skill. And next course goes hand in hand with previous one, and that's the science of cooking. This course explores the science behind cooking, including the chemical reaction when the food is cooked, the role of flavor and aroma, and history of cooking techniques. With this course, you can start a cooking class and charge $50 to $200 per class. You can also become a personal chef and get paid $50 to $300 per hour. You can start developing your own recipes, write a book, or even digital products like ebook and sell them. And yet again, you can start a blog or a vlog about food as a Harvard-trained food blogger. Not bad if you're into cooking. Would you try this? Or maybe do you know someone who likes to cook? Send them this video and save it for later so you don't lose it.